So good day guys. So today is a Monday, 30th of June. So saw my trade hit TP. But do you know one thing? I would have actually missed that trade though. I would have missed that. But this is the reason why I always involve God in everything I do, even in this my trading. So when you have analyzed the market and you're now waiting for your setup to show or for price to get to your POI. So this time around I was waiting for price to get to my POI, which was another block, or some people know it as a demand level. So then I went off MT5 and I was just scrolling on Instagram. Then all of a sudden my phone just hung, then switch off, and then started to restart again. Then I remembered my trade. I remember that I was waiting for something in the market, and then I rushed to check it, and price was already at my level, and then it was already started going up small. Then I placed my start execution. If you watch, I didn't put everything I recorded on that trading video, that is on my trade video. So if you watch, you see that the trade hang. You know that when you restart your phone, everything will start to come up, like some things will be hanging. I don't know for that people, the phone I use, some things will hang. Like if you restart your phone now, it's not everything that will start working immediately. It's like some things will hang before the phone will now finally restart. You understand? So that was how it is. My MT5, so what I placed the instant execution, but my MT5 hang. Look at it, even with my network. And that was how I had to later come and put my SA and my TP. So I believe it was God that helped me not to miss this trade. Because my phone just hung and then switch off and then restart again. It's something that normally happens to my phone, but this time around I believe it happened for a reason, to allow me to get focused, to remember my trade. But it's a lesson now. This is a lesson. It's not like tomorrow now I can't do the same thing. I expect God to help me out. So it's a lesson that once is my trading time, I should remove all distraction and then focus on seeing my setup and placing my trade, because that's my responsibility. Whether the trade goes in my direction or not is not my responsibility. So because this same thing happened to me. Sorry, I forgot to say. This same thing happened to me last week. If you watch the video I made on Sunday, that's to show the history of the account, you see limit orders that didn't get tapped in. So I missed trades last week. If not, I would have passed the phase 1 of this portfolio. But anyways, regardless, it's all lessons though. I've already learned how to get past that, and that's what I'm doing, and that's how I was able to catch this trade today. 1:2 is a great risk to reward as long as you have over 50% win rate. So that's what I'm doing now. Alright, this is my account balance. We are up 2,000 something naira. Remember, it's naira. Some people see this account and think it's dollar. It's naira account. So let's see now. Let's see. The goal for this week for me is to pass this phase 1. That's my goal, to pass the phase 1. And I believe it. Like I say, if I win my next trade and the next one I get up to 8,000 naira. That's if I get 18,000 naira, I've passed this account, because the prop firm target is 20%, which is 10%, which is 20,000 naira. Then their drawdown is 40,000, but their drawdown is trailing drawdown. So the higher your account balance, that's how the drawdown will increase. So if you trade your account up to 210,000, the drawdown will increase from 160, which is minus 40,000 for 200k balance, up to 170, which is minus 40k for 210,000. So I hope you understand. If you want to get an account with them, you can use my link in the description. It's my affiliate account, but make sure you make your research, understand them very well before you start trading. Not that you cannot trade crypto Very important. Let me just put this out there. You cannot trade crypto on the account. Crypto is not allowed. Your drawdown limit, and you need to trade every 7 days unless you lose the account. Every 7 days you need to at least place a trade. So, and also scalping, 1 to 3 minutes scalping for small profits. All those things there is not allowed. Just go through their website, use the link in the description, go through their website, read it very very well, because most people, that's why they fail profit. They don't read. You just go get the account and then you start trading it anyhow. When they don't pay you out, start complaining when you're the one at fault. So I've not seen them deny anybody payout. Nobody has come out to accuse them of denying payout. That's why I haven't chose to get them. And also they are cheap. For my own, like my own currency, they are cheap compared to other prop firms. So that's it. And it's only for Nigerians. Only for Nigerians for now. According to what they say, it's only for Nigerians. Alright. See you guys when I see my next setup. Peace. So hello, good day guys. So today is Tuesday, 1st of July. Happy new month. So I don't want this video to be too long. You saw my trade, it hit TP. So you see, this is the reason why I decided to go for 1:2. I use instant execution. So if you watch, this is the red line I drew for my trade to place my trade. If I was using limit order, that's where I will keep my trade. But then since I'm using instant execution, you saw that my trade shifted up a little. So I decided that I'll be using instant execution and 1:2. And if you watch also, my yesterday trade and my today's trade, price hit 1:2. And then after a little while, it reversed. So all these things, you don't just guess them. It's from backtesting. After backtesting, although there are times when my trade will even run up to 1:10. So there are times like that happen, but the question is, what is consistent? So that's what I'm focused on. So today, initially I was looking for sell in the market initially today, but then while I was watching the market, I saw that my sell analysis, that's my sell bias, got invalidated. So I started looking for buys, and that was when I saw this buy, and then I took it. And if you watch sniper entry, price reached there and then started reversing. So this is it guys. So my account is now $212,000. Amen. No. But 212,000 naira. So I have like 212,500 naira. So I have like 7.5 to pass this phase 1. So let's see, tomorrow will come again, and I'll stick to my rule, follow my trading plan. If it goes my direction, fine, we pass the account. If it goes against me, fine, my risk was managed. We'll keep pushing. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow or when I see my next setup. Peace. Good day, guys. So you saw my trade today. My trade. Sorry, my dad is eating. That's why you're hearing that noise. So my trade today. My trade hit TP and it helped me pass my account. So as you can see, my account is at 220,000 naira. So that has passed the account because that's 10%. So I just requested for my phase 2. You see a video after this one now. I just requested for my phase 2. So I just wanted to come on here and update you guys. So let's go. I hit my goal of passing that phase 1 this week. I hit my goal. So if you want to get an account with the platform I'm trading with, do not forget to use the link in the description. And also make your research. Make sure you go through their website and understand them properly. So after this video now you'll see the video of where I made request for my phase 2 account. Alright, see you guys when I get my phase 2. Peace. So good day, guys. So I just requested for my phase 2 of the account. So I'll have to wait for I think 24 hours for them to review the account. Alright, I'll see you guys when I get the account. The market just tapped me in and we are in on this trade. Let's see how it goes. A win or a loss. Risk is managed. Come back again. See you after the trade outcome. Peace. Good day, guys. So you saw my trades. Both of them hit SL. Well, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Today 5th. Saturday 5th. Can't really remember the date, but you see it here. Saturday 5th. Saw my trades. Two of them hit SL. Well, those trades, they all matched my. They all matched like my. They matched everything I traded with. I trade with. As my confluences, they all had. They both had my confluences, so they were exactly the same kind of trade I'll still take again in the future if I see them. So I guess these are one of those losses you take now. You saw the wins I had, 3 wins back to back. So I passed my phase 1, this is my phase 2, and now I'm in Jordan. Well, I'm not really worried because why? My risk management is in check. So if I win one trade, I'll be able to get back up. So I just wanted to come here and update you guys. But one thing I know, by the grace of God, next week I'm also passing this phase 2, and then I'll start trading my live account, my funded account, because I know it's still demo, but it's still demo. That's why I said my funded account. So this is for this week now. I'll come again next week and we'll do the same thing. So this is what to do. This is what I want to keep doing for the next 6 months by the grace of God, and God has also helped me. He said that I should lock in for the next 6 months. I should just do this for the next 6 months and see how my life will be. So this is what I want to do also. I'm also saying this out here for accountability purpose also, to hold myself in case I try to do something else, maybe because I took losses or something. So guys, this is it now for this week. I'll see you guys next week. Come again next week and I'll do the same thing. I think this is just what I wanted to say for this week. If you see your setup, take it. That's your responsibility. Whether it goes in your direction or not, it is not your responsibility. See you next week.